So hello everyone, hello Ugandans. So under this video I'm going to show you how you can get to check the status of your national ID online. You know, there is this older process whereby we used to dial the code of star 216 hash, but if you want a swift process of checking on your national ID, and in case it's ready, they will get to tell you where it is, and you get there and get to pick up your national ID. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get to check out the status of your national ID. Is it ready or still it's being processed? All that. So just go here onto the Google application or go onto any browser that is on your phone. So when you get over here, get to put in Nira Uganda, run it into the Google system, and here are the results that have appeared on the feed. So over here you get to choose the Nira website. So we are going onto the Nira website. So let's wait for it to load up very well. Once it loads up very well, remember we are checking on the status of your national ID. So so let's continue. I don't want to so we get over here and tap where you see track status. So tap there. So we're gonna so over here, when you get over here, what you're gonna do is to put in the application ID. Once you put in the application ID and you confirm that you're not a robot and tap send, just know that Nira will notify you about the status of your national ID. If it's ready, they'll give you the location where your national ID is located. If it's not ready, they will let you know that your national ID is still being processed. So that's how easy it is